don't touch my socks. No, do not touch my penguin socks. Nope, no thank you. No. What? No. 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 Excuse me, don't close my laptop. What's that tongue sticking out like that? What is that tongue? What? Go. What? You want to play with the gorilla? Are you going to grab gorilla? Look. What? 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 Look at that face. Where are you gonna get? Which one are you gonna get? Which one? Which one? What? I see that tail wagging. What, baby? Oh, you're getting monkey. It looks like you're getting monkey. Are you getting monkey? Go get it. Oh, you were getting sloth? Were you getting sloth? What? What's that in your mouth? You have a string in your mouth, baby. No, you have a string in your mouth. I have to grab the string. Is it still there or no? I can't tell. Thank you. What? What? Oh, you need my sock? Yeah. There you go. You just went from one toy to another, Bibber. Which one do you want? That toy or that toy? Oh, here we go. I see you. I see that tail moving. I see that tail moving. What? What? Go get you. Go. Go. Get it. Go. Gimme. Gimme. You look so silly. You look so silly. You look so silly. You look so silly. Go. Good girl. That was a big jump. That was a big jump. Oh, yay. Hold on. I have to do my stuff for Bibber, okay? I have to concentrate. I have to concentrate. Go. Okay? Can I concentrate for a little bit? Just a little bit? Okay. Thank you.